Peachy, baby.
Wednesday night, this is my dinner. I was working all day and my husband made some dinner for us. It's a chicken with chikatlika bambam, our favorite. After I eat, I just sit down or lay in the couch and my baby boy wants to give me a kisses. He is the sweet little one. I love him. I love him so much. Are you a dog lover too? Because I am. What you doing with mommy's clothes? Huh? Oh no. Let me see, baby. Let mommy see, baby. Baby? It's mommy's clothes, boy. What you doing? Oh no, you're showing up. Oh no. Fluky. It's okay, boy. You can have it. Don't look at me like that. Good morning, mga be. Update sa ating kamay. Ngayon ko lang naramdaman yung sakit. As in, kahapon. Dapat tahiin to eh. Ayoko. Kahapon di ko naramdaman yung sakit dahil ang daming blood. Ngayon, gangul-ngul na siya. Sakit na siya as in. Tapos may work pa ako mamaya. Oh my God. Fighting self. Early ako today kasi may pasok yung asawa ko. My schedule is around 12. I'm here early. Mala. Okay, mga B. I'm going to change bandage for my cat. I just don't like to look on it. Hindi ko pa ito na-change simula kahapon. Takot ako eh. And maamoy na yung bandage. Kasi nababasa eh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Sakit. Sana huwag nang dumugo ulit.
It's not okay. I can do this all day. I got plenty of time. I got nowhere to be. I got nowhere to be.
Habol po kay ning gunting giatay.
She didn't leave me anywhere.
Oh my God. Babe?
What? Oh. Finger.
Oh my God.
Let's see. Like, listen. Gotta make a tough call.
It's bleeding again. Look at that.
You can understand.
Dako kaayo ang paknet. I don't know guys if you can see. Oh my God. Dako jud kaayo siya. Murag di na jud ni mo balik ang kuan. Dili na ni mabalik ang panit. Sakit daw eh. Hapto. Sakit. ito yung bulaklak na binili ko. Oh, tingnan mo, nakatanggal na siya. Kasi naka-clearance sale siya, tapos ano na siya. Para hindi na siya talagang ano, lanta na. Pero mabubuhay pa to. Ita-transplant natin. Transplant ko dyan. Kaso sayang din to eh, no? Ito din, sayang. Ganda, diba? Akala mo roses, hindi. Nakalimutan ko yung name. Nasaan ba? Mayroon ba tong ano? Wala siyang meron siya nakalagay sa kabila. Tingnan natin. Ayan siya. Ito yung name ng flowers. Ranunculus. Sa original price, $16.98. Pero naka-sale na kuha ko lang siya ng $8. Ganda, 'di ba? That's it. Masarap yung may taba-taba. Sarap. Dinner. Sarap. You okay? Are you stressed? What happened?
Yeah, happy birthday! Hey, Jarrell, if it's your birthday today, that's quadruple time, right? I wish. Really, guys?
It's nice.
Or they're like half to 2/3.
They literally told us that's what the members are looking for, the two or whatever, so they told us to open it, I don't know, last time.
Say hi.
Coffee cup, saucer, saucer, B&B. So do you want those? Back to you, that one.
It's nice. Ooh, it's nice. Mommy miss you, boy. Mommy is so tired today. You wanna give Mommy comfort? Mommy is so tired today from work. I love you.